We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Okidata ES7412 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you've been getting a low toner or replace toner warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. First thing you want to do is look at your control panel screen and figure out which color of toner or toners that need to be replaced. Once you know which colors need to be replaced, we need to open up this top cover of the printer in order to access those toners. So in order to do that, we're going to push this release button on the front left side of the printer. That's going to raise this front cover all the way up until it's open locked position. Then we're going to find whichever color of toner needs to be replaced. In this case, it's going to be our yellow. So if you look at the right side, you're going to find these little blue tabs. So we're going to follow the yellow toner all the way to the right side, find its blue tab, pull it towards the front of the printer. That's going to put it in its unlocked position. And then we're going to lift up on the right side, and the toner cartridge should just release from the drum. Very, very easy. And that's going to remove your toner cartridge from the printer. Now, once you have your new cartridge unpacked and ready to use, you'll notice it'll have a piece of white tape on it. We need to remove that white tape before we install the new toner cartridge into the printer. So you just grab the end, pull the piece of tape all the way off. You're going to turn it over, and you're going to slide it onto the drum. Again, making sure that it's the right color toner for that drum. Push it all the way down until it's firmly seated on top of the drum. We're going to push our locking lever back forward, and that'll lock our toner onto our drum. So now we've successfully replaced our yellow toner. You're going to repeat that process for any and all other toners that need to be replaced. Once you're done, we're going to go ahead and lower this front cover, or top cover rather. Now we'll give the printer a minute to initialize. Once it comes back to its normal ready state, then it'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.